हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। देखो ऑलरेडी हमने डिस्कस कर लिया था व्हाट इज मीन बाय लेवी स्ट्रक्चर एंड फॉर्मल चार्ज एज वेल एज हाउ टू फाइंड आउट इट, बट some students told me that ma'am take more extra examples. For that purpose today we are going to solve these 5 examples, how to draw the Lewis structure as well as how to find out the charge present on that atoms. So first example is that H3O plus. For that one we should know how many valence electrons are there. So first step is that counting of valence electrons. So for that one hydrogen is there, three hydrogen atoms are there, one oxygen is there and one positive charge is there. These terms or these points we observe from this one. So see, for one hydrogen only one valence electron is there. For oxygen, how many valence oxygen electrons? 6 are there and plus 1 charge, so we have to subtract it and remaining for that one we have to add. So simply we can say that for the calculation of total number of valence electron we have to add all them. So 3 into 1, this is for the hydrogen, plus 1 into 6, this is for the oxygen, and because of positive charge we have to subtract 1. So in this way 3 plus 6 minus 1 means 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Okay. Firstly, we have calculated that total number of valence electron. What we have to do nextly? Next step is that we have to follow that next step, that is the how many bond pair electrons are there. Bond pair electrons. And lastly, if we consider that positive charge is, it should be always present on the central atom. And if on given ion negative charge is there, then that should be the side atoms. Okay, so remaining side atoms we will write that. Corner atoms also we can say that for the side atoms, corner atoms. Now see here for the H3O plus we have calculated total number of valence electron, that is the 8. Now see how to draw the structure. See, simply, which one is the central atom? That will be the oxygen. How many hydrogen atoms are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. As we have discussed, firstly we have to draw single bond between them. So this is the central atom, these are the corner atoms. So firstly we are drawing here one bond between oxygen and hydrogen with the each one. So in this way we have completed the 3 bonds. Now see, central atom carries positive charge. Before going towards that, oxygen always prefer to 2 bond. At that time it will not carry the charge. But if oxygen carries or oxygen forms 1 bond, it carries minus 1 charge. But when oxygen carries or forms 3 bond, at that time it carries plus 1 charge. Once again I am repeating, listen carefully. If oxygen is forming 2 bonds, at that time there is a no charge on that oxygen. But if oxygen carries or oxygen forming only 1 bond, at that time it carries negative charge. And if oxygen is forming 3 bonds, means it will carry plus 1 charge. Now see, this is the trick for you people. Now see, here also oxygen has formed 3 bonds, means it will carry plus 1 charge. Now see how it will be that one. Here we have completed how many electrons? See, total number of electrons 8. Bond pair electrons, how many bonds are there? 1, 2, 3 bonds are there, means 3 into 2 equal to 6 electrons completed. Means total 8 are there, out of 6 are used, means how many remain? Only 2. Okay, now see, for this hydrogen how many valence electrons are there after sharing? 1, 2, means it has completed its last share. Here also and here also it has completed. Now see, what about the oxygen? For this oxygen 1, 2, 3 means 3 2s are 6 electrons are present in the last shell. And as we know that for the completion of octet it required 2 electrons. So these 2 electrons will be there on that oxygen. Now see, we will find out the formal charge, means how we can say that which one will carry that positive charge. For that one, first one, our formula is formal charge of particular atom is equal to number of valence electron. For first one, this hydrogen as well as this. These three hydrogen are of the same nature, means they are forming only single bond with the oxygen. So for the H1, H2 as well as H3, we will find out the formal charge. Now see here, number of valence electron for the hydrogen, it is only 1. Number of lone pair electron, how many lone pair are there on the hydrogen? No one is there, means 0. Minus 1 by 2, how many bond pair electrons are there? Bond pair electron means how many bonds form? Only 1, means electron 1 into 2, so that will be 2. Now see here, 1 minus 0 minus 1 is nothing but the 0, means H1 do not carry any charge, H2 also do not carry, H3 also not carrying any charge. So here we have calculated formal charge present on that H1, H2 as well as H3. Now we will discuss about the oxygen. Now see, for the oxygen, what is the first point? First point is that, means in that formula, first one is that number of valence electron. How many valence electrons are there? 6. Minus how many bond pair electrons? Before going towards that, how many lone pair electrons are there? Only 2. So minus 2. Minus 1 by 2. How many bond pair electrons? 1, 2, 3. 3 bonds means 3 2s are 6 electrons. So 6 minus 2, it will be 4, minus 3 means it carries plus 1 charge. So when we are writing or when we are drawing its structure, at that time we have to draw this structure like that. See here, once again I am drawing here. Oxygen, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. It carries lone pair as well as plus charge. This is the correct फॉर्मल चार्ज एज वेल एज करेक्ट लेवी-स्ट्रॉस स्ट्रक्चर. होप सो आपको यहाँ पे ये फर्स्ट वाला एग्जाम्पल समझ में आ गया होगा. अभी हम स्टार्ट करते हैं सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल. दैट सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल इज NH4, अमोनियम आयन. नाउ सी हियर, NH4. In that NH4 plus, we will calculate, that I will tell you. Nitrogen, when it forms 3 bonds, it will not contain any charge, means it will be neutral one. But when nitrogen forms 4 bond, at that time it will carry plus 1 charge. For nitrogen plus, means for nitrogen 5 bond formation is not possible. Clear? Means nitrogen will form either 3 bonds or the 4 bonds. If it is forming 3 bonds, it will not carry any charge, means it will be neutral. Now see here. So before going towards that, we have to calculate the total number of electrons. First one, nitrogen. How many nitrogen atoms? Only 1. So 1n. Plus how many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen. Plus what is the charge? Charge is plus 1, means positive charge, so we have to subtract. Now see, for the nitrogen valence electrons are 5 plus 4 into 1 minus 1, means 5 plus 4 minus 1 is nothing but the 8, means total number of valence electrons are 8. Clear to everyone? Now see, after that we will draw the structure in that nitrogen. Okay, first one is the nitrogen, and in that nitrogen is forming the 4 bonds. Okay, nitrogen 1, 2, 3 and 4. With whom? Hydrogen. So H. Clear to everyone? Now see, as we know that nitrogen, how many electrons are there? Total 8 are there. How many bond pairs are there? Total 4 are there. Means 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds are there. Means bond electron 8. So bond pair electrons. Means how many remain? Only 2 electrons remain. Clear to everyone? 2 electrons remain. Now 8 electron means no one electron remained. Please listen carefully. NH4 plus nitrogen, 4 hydrogen. They will form firstly 1 bond. After that Total number of electrons are 8, and as we have seen that they are forming the 4 bond also, means total bond pair electrons are also same, means no one electron remain back. Now see, what is the charge present on that one? Find out. See, nitrogen 4 8 octet is completed. For hydrogen 2 electrons, means everyone has completed its last shell. Now we want to find out the formal charge present on that one. So firstly, H1, H2, H3, H4, means all are having the same one. So H4, what is the formula? Formula is number of valence electron present in that atom. Valence electron for hydrogen, it is the only one, minus number of lone pairs electrons. Number of lone pair electrons, no one is there, means it will be 0, minus 1 by 2 number of bond pair electrons. How many bond formed by the hydrogen? Only 1, means into 2. So if we consider 1 minus 0 minus 1, means it will answer will be 0. So in this way we can say that H1, H2, H3, H4 do not carry any charge. Now part remain, that is of the nitrogen. Now see about the nitrogen. In case of nitrogen, we can say that nitrogen in its last shell, how many electrons are there? 5, minus, is there any electron pair? No electron pair, so minus 0, minus 1 by 2. Now see, how many bond pair electrons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds are formed by the nitrogen. So 4 2s are 8 will be there. So here 5 minus 0 minus 4. So 5 minus 4 is equal to plus 1. It indicates that central atom, means nitrogen, carries plus 1 charge. Means this structure will be nitrogen, hydrogen, this third, and this is the fourth hydrogen, and nitrogen carries plus 1 charge. होप सो आपको समझ में आ गया होगा सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल भी. अभी स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा थर्ड एग्जाम्पल. अभी देखो ये थर्ड एग्जाम्पल क्या है? NO2 माइनस. अगर ये NO2 माइनस कंसीडर करते हैं तो इसमें देखो NO2 माइनस. ठीक है, इसमें पहले हमें फाइंड आउट करना है वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, टोटल वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. उसके लिए क्या करेंगे? देखो नाइट्रोजन है, मतलब एक नाइट्रोजन के लास्ट शेल में होते हैं 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन. आफ्टर दैट प्लस 2 ऑक्सीजन एटम्स आर देयर, सो 2. Each oxygen having the 6 valence electron, and as NO2 carries minus 1 charge, so we have to add it. Means in this way 5 plus 6 2s are 12 plus 1, means its answer will be 12 plus 5 17 plus 18 electrons. Okay, now we have to start to draw the structure. Nitrogen, oxygen, oxygen. Okay, it forms single bond, single bond. Clear to everyone? Now see, how many bond pairs are completed? 2 bond pair are there, and total 4 electron, means bond pair electrons is equal to 18 minus 4, that will be 14, means 14 electrons remain. For that one we are using firstly it as a lone pair. So for that one 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, minus 1 charge is there, means one bond is formed by the sharing a pair of electron. So simply we can say that if we consider nitrogen, how many electrons are present? Total 2 2s are 4 electrons are there, means how many remain? Total 4 electrons remain. Now see here, अगर हम कंसीडर करते हैं कि यहाँ पे ये जो नाइट्रोजन ऑक्सीजन बॉन्ड है, यहाँ पे देखो एक और यहाँ पे एक है, ऑक्सीजन का एक और इस ऑक्सीजन का एक. अगर एक निगेटिव चार्ज है वो किस पे रहेगा वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. सो हमने ड्रॉ कर लिया ये वाला बॉन्ड. अभी नेक्स्ट क्या किया हमने? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. अभी देखना है हर एक का ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट होता है कि नहीं होता है. यहाँ पे देखो इस ऑक्सीजन का 2 4 5 6 7 8 इसका ऑक्टेट हो गया. इसका ऑक्टेट ये भी हो गया, पर नाइट्रोजन का नहीं हुआ। नाइट्रोजन के कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बाकी है? सिर्फ 4 खत्म हो गए, 4 आर remain. So for that one, out of this 4 we are using this lone pair for the double bond formation. So in this way 6 electrons are there, means 2 electrons remain, and that will be in the form of the lone pair. ओके यहाँ पे समझ में आ गया? तो अभी देखो हमारे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितने हुए और ये बॉन्ड कैसे हुआ। अगर कंसिडर करते हैं ऐसा वाला स्ट्रक्चर, तो हमें करना है क्या, उस पर चार्ज कौन सा आएगा। एज आई टोल्ड यू, इफ ऑक्सीजन इज forming the one bond, it will carry -1 charge. And what about the nitrogen? It has formed 3 bonds as it is. So if it is forming 3 bonds, so it will not carry any charge. So for that purpose we will find out the formal charge for each one. यहाँ पे देखो ये ऑक्सीजन डिफरेंट है यहाँ पे, इसलिए हम नंबर देते हैं 1 2 3. So for O1 what will be the charge? So firstly number of valence electron, that is the 6 minus, यहाँ पे क्या करना है बाकी, उसके बाद हमें देखना है कितने बॉन्ड फॉर्म किए और कितने लोन पेयर से। अभी पहला पॉइंट है लोन पेयर, 1 2 3, 3 लोन पेयर्स आर देयर, मीन्स लोन पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन, that is 3 2 6 minus 1/2. How many bonds are formed by the oxygen? Only 1 bond, means 2 electrons will be there. So 6 minus 6 0 minus 1. So oxygen first, that will carry -1 charge. Now see about the N, nitrogen, that number is given by us, that is 2. So first point, how many valence electrons are there in case of nitrogen? 5. How many lone pairs are there? Only one lone pair, means 2 electrons, minus 1/2. How many bond pair electrons are there? 1 2 3 bonds are formed, means 3 2 6 bond pair electrons. So 5 minus 2 3 minus 3, so equal to 0. मतलब this nitrogen do not carry any charge, यहाँ पे ये कैरी करता है -1. अब ये रह गया हमारा ऑक्सीजन। यहाँ पे देखो अगर ये O2 कंसिडर करते हैं, O2 मतलब ऑक्सीजन, डाइऑक्सीजन नहीं है, ये O2 मतलब क्या है, यहाँ पे सेकेंड ऑक्सीजन को कंसिडर, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे O ही लिख देती हूँ, ये O1 लिख दिया है, तो यहाँ पे ये सेकेंड ऑक्सीजन। अभी देखो वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितने होते हैं? 6 माइनस, यहाँ पे उसके बाद हमारे स्टेप जाते हैं कितने लोन पेयर्स हैं, 2 लोन पेयर्स, मीन्स लोन पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर 4 minus 1/2. What about this bond? Number of bond formed by this oxygen, these are the 2, means total number of electron 4. So 6 minus 4 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Means in this way we can say that first oxygen only carries -1 charge. That's why NO2 minus, that can be written as like that. See, once again I am writing that structure with the charge. N double bond O, single bond O with negative charge 1 2 3 4 5 6. यहाँ पे एक लोन पेयर है और इसके पास है सिर्फ 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन। तो ये हो गया उसका करेक्ट वाला लेविस डॉट स्ट्रक्चर, और फॉर्मल चार्ज भी हमने फाइंड आउट कर दिया। तो यहाँ पे हो गया अपना ये थर्ड एग्जाम्पल कंप्लीट। अब देखते हैं फोर्थ वाला एग्जाम्पल। फोर्थ वाला एग्जाम्पल कौन सा है? देखो NO3 माइनस, NO3 माइनस NO3, और यहाँ पे आ गया माइनस। अभी पहला स्टेप क्या है? कैलकुलेट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? देखो पहला नाइट्रोजन है, मतलब एक नाइट्रोजन के वैलेंस शेल में होते हैं 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन, प्लस हाउ मेनी ऑक्सीजन? 3 ऑक्सीजन। ईच ऑक्सीजन हैविंग द 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन इन इट्स आउटर मोस्ट शेल। एज इट कैरीज -1 चार्ज, मीन्स वी हैव टू ऐड 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन। सो इन दिस वे 5 प्लस 6 3 18 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 24 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। हो गया। अभी फिर से क्या करना है? जनरल वाला नाइट्रोजन, कितने ऑक्सीजन है? 3, 1 2 3. Firstly it will form single bond. After that, now see, bond pair electrons, how many are there? 1 2 3 bond, means 3 2 6 bond pair electrons are there. Okay, so see, out of 24 we have used 6 electrons, means how many remain? That is the 18. So total we can say that 18 electrons remain. So firstly we have to show them on this oxygen. So see, 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 3s are 18, means 18 electrons which were remain that we have used. Now see, अगर हम कंसिडर करते each oxygen is completing its octet with the 8 electron, but what about the nitrogen? Central atom remain as it is. So what about this one? 1, 2, 3 means only 3 bonds are formed. Okay, means it having the only 6 electron in its octet, means it is not completed its octet. In its last shell only 6 electrons are there. For that one, any one of these 3 oxygen will form the double bond with this nitrogen, and for that purpose it will use the lone pair present on that oxygen. That's why these 2 electrons are utilized for the bond formation. As I told you in a first, not second example, what was that point? Nitrogen generally forms 3 bonds. If it forming 3 bonds, it will not carry any charge, but it is forming 4 bonds, then it will carry +1 charge. Is it coming or not? That we will discuss right now. Here we have drawn this structure. So based on that structure, we have to calculate the formal charge. So firstly, for now see here, first oxygen and second oxygen, they are of the same nature. So for O1 and O2, this first and second oxygen purpose we will calculate firstly. Now see here, if we consider this one, each oxygen having the valence electron, that is the 6. So 6 minus, what is the next point? How many lone pair electrons are there? 1, 2, 3 lone pair means 6 lone pair electrons are there, minus 1 by 2. How many bonds are formed by each? That is the only one bond is formed, means 2 electrons. So in this way, 6 minus 6, that is 0, minus 1, means these oxygen, first and second oxygen carries -1 charge. Now we will discuss about the third oxygen. So for that one, 6 minus, how many lone pair electrons are there? 4 are there, minus 1 by 2. How many bonds are formed? 2 bonds, means 2 2s are 4. So equal to 6 minus 4, 2, minus 2, means this oxygen will not carry any charge, it is neutral one. Now remaining is the nitrogen. In case of nitrogen, how many valence electron? 5 are there, minus how many lone pair electrons? Nothing is there, means 0, minus 1 by 2. How many bonds are formed? 2, 3, 4. 4 2s are 8. So equal to 5 minus 4 equal to +1, means this oxygen carry -1 and the central atom will carry